Hello everybody and welcome to Wheel Stories. Today I'm out riding my brand new Harley Davidson. It's a Roadster. The dealership delivered it to my house on New Year's Eve. Around Christmas time I went shopping. I had a Kawasaki 1500 Vulcan Classic that I was looking to sell or trade. Well, I saw this Roadster and I could not resist. It's cold today, it's January. Let's jump on the bike and go ride. The odometer read 6 miles on this bike when I accepted delivery. For the break-in period, I'm following the recommendations made by Harley Davidson, right from the manual. That means no fast starts or cranking the throttle wide open. I'm keeping the engine revs below 3,000 RPM for the first 50 miles, and then under 3,500 RPM until I reach 500 miles. No droning down the freeway. The tires are new, the brake pads are new, and need to be scrubbed in. So today, excuse me if it looks like I'm riding this motorcycle like a newbie, a first-time rider. I'm so new to this bike, I'm not ready to provide an honest, thorough review. I'll save that for later. What I can tell you is that I love the looks of this motorcycle. I was bitten by the desire to own a modern retro-type motorcycle several years ago, while attending bike shows and wandering through local dealerships. I've always been attracted to traditionally styled naked roadsters and cafe-type racers with minimal trim and forward-leaning riding positions. And right now, there are some really nice-looking bikes on the market. For example, the BMW R9T and all of its variations. I love the looks of this bike, but I already own 2 BMWs and I need another one like I need a hole in my head. Triumph, of course, with the T100 and the T120 Bonnevilles, and the cafe-styled Thruxton. I love the look of the old British twins. I think the Kawasaki Z900 and Honda CB1100 are super nice looking bikes. Moto Guzzis have always possessed that retro vibe, but were not really a consideration for me. We don't have a Guzzi dealer in Boise. The Royal Enfields look amazing, and the prices are outstanding. They're just a little small for my liking. And then there's the Harley Davidson Roadster. It kind of has that modern retro look, I guess, for the Sportster. Although the Sportster has been around a long time, so it's always been retro and not very modern. I believe the HD Sportster came out in 1957 with the Ironhead overhead valve engine. The Evolution motor was introduced in 1986, so variations of this bike have been around for a very long time. Harleys have always been retro. I think the XLCR from the 70s, with the CR abbreviation for Cafe Racer, is one of the coolest looking bikes ever made by Harley Davidson. The XR1200, introduced I think around 2006, is a cool looking ride as well, and is actually quite sporty when it comes to performance. When Harley released the rubber mounted version of the Sportsters in 2004, I copied some photos from a magazine and hung them in my garage, thinking to myself, I'd love to own a Sportster someday. Well, that day has arrived. That's where I'm at, with a new Harley Davidson, an American-made bike. I'm looking forward to riding it this summer and getting accustomed to an old school type of riding with a V-twin engine, cruiser, roadster, retro looking type of bike. But enough talking. Let's enjoy this ride and listen to the motorcycle for a bit. As you can guess, I intend to feature this bike in more Wheel Stories videos going forward, so be sure to check back. And I'm not going to stop making videos about my BMWs. There's just going to be a broader range of content on Wheel Stories. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to subscribe. Set up that notification button so you know when I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Happy trails.